Our residential area is located in Malacca. As we know, electricity is the most important of all times. This issue is related to sustainable development goals that is affordable and clean energy. It's still dark even during the day without electricity. All work or daily activity will affect us. Identify problems. There are areas that still do not provide electricity, especially rural area and among aboriginal area. They spend hundreds of ringgit each month on candle to light the night. Kerosene or candle can cause a fire and extremely dangerous to everyone. It also has health consequences. Also can cause air pollution. In Sanakan, houses were burned in a fire caused by a candle and about 30 households were affected. Therefore, to prevent the problem, they need to have another initiative to provide electricity. Solar energy can provide light to their communities at a low cost. This implement of solar help people with limited and no access electricity. This project not produce any greenhouse gas emission released into the atmosphere when using solar to create electricity.
After we identify the problem, we propose a project called hand-holding solar lamp to resolve this issue. We suggest that a solar to be used as an alternative energy to power up the lamp. The reason why we choose a solar is because sunlight is always available anywhere. Therefore, it is easier to get the solar energy compared to other renewable energy. A day's amount of solar stored energy is enough to power up about for the whole night. We also aim for the project to be sustainable. Thus, in order to keep the project sustainable, we use the components as minimum as possible within a low budget, with the addition of recycled materials to perfect it. We also built the circuit as simple as possible so that when we teach the rural community, they can learn and understand it easier.
This project proposes an environmentally friendly and sustainable engineering solution for the light source called the solar lamp to provide this community and people in need with a safer and affordable light source. The solar lamp works by converting the solar power into electricity in order to provide the people with light source. The portable design will allow people to use it everywhere they need a light, for example in the kitchen, living room and outside of the house. This project was created using recyclable materials such as a small and large plastic container, rope, wooden skewer and cardboard box, along with easily obtained electronic component which is a light bulb holder, wire, battery clip and a small solar panel. In conclusion, this project will provide a better alternative light source.
This project also help all communities to light up their communities.
As for the non-engineering solution, we believe there are two ways to resolve this issue. The first one is we believe that organizations such as non-governmental or non-profit should push and advocate the importance of supplying electricity onto the rural areas. We believe that these organizations should do it because they have enough resources and influence to commit to it. Next, we believe that the government can fund solar street lights onto these rural areas, because solar street lights only require powerful LED lights, which will reduce the amount of solar panels, therefore reduce the cost significantly.
In conclusion, engineers preserve the confidence of a growing economy. Engineering is a profession in which scientific knowledge and mathematics is used and experimented with to develop ways that benefit mankind. Engineering encompasses a whole range of industries that could include on-site practical construction work as well as evaluating safety systems. In fact, engineering is behind everything. Mobile phones, they are down to engineers. Makeup, also down to engineers. Cars, computers, shoes and even cutlery, it's all down to engineers.